morning filled with desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. A very cheerful morning to one and all gathered here. I, Shivalika from Civil Department, final year students, welcome to all. It's my great privilege to the welcome address for this session. I took this opportunity in welcoming our honorable guest, Dr. Shobna, our worthy director of YCT, Dr. Professor A.K. Srivastava, Engineer Rajneesh Mogotra, HOD Civil Department, faculty members, and all attendees. I welcome all the dignitaries in today's session. Yogananda College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, one of the recognized college imparting bachelor's degree in many streams. Our civil engineering branch is one of the best stream. I think in shortest span of time, it has grown in many folds. We are enough lucky to be a part of this college as a student. Our college has one of the best faculty with all the modern facilities. Our professor as well as faculty guide and support in both education and curricular activities for students to achieve their goals. During this pandemic, our college never stepped back for serving their students. Under ICC cell of YCT, Department of Civil Engineering has organizing virtual session on angel investment, VC funding opportunities for early stage entrepreneur. Leadership is the capacity to transfer vision to reality. Now, I would like to invite our president, ICC cell YCT, Engineer Dinesh Gupta, for welcoming our guest. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to all. I, Dinesh Gupta, HOD, CSC and IT department, and also president of IIC Sala YCT, feel honored and privileged to welcome today's speaker, Dr. Shobna Oder. She is working as Dean Corporate Relations and Training and Development. Her key skills are training and development, grooming, corporate relations, alumni management, international relations, and lectures on soft skills and HR. Her accomplishments are, in addition to PGDM, HR, and MBA marketing, she is PhD in management. She has extensive exposure of more than 17 years with leading universities. She had worked to All India Management Association, IMA, New Delhi, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, Narsi Monji University, NMIMS, Mumbai, ICFAI University, Dehradun, Riyadh Behra University, Punjab, Edu Pro Limited, and Rockview University, Africa. She had maintained training and development, corporate relations, and international relations with a number of national, international universities. She extensively travels to Africa in order to deliver visiting lectures for various academic, HR, and soft skills, bridge courses, along with motivation lectures, career guidance, personality development, communication skills, etc. In addition, she has written and presented many research and academic papers. Thank you. And I would like to invite Dr. Shobna ma'am, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Dinesh. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, madam, you are very much audible, ma'am.
Okay. So thanks a lot. And it's my honor and privilege today to be a part of this webinar series of VC funding, a wonderful session for Yogananda School College, YCET, at Jammu. So I, Dr. Shobna, is welcome each and every participants, and my best wishes to all the participants, students and faculties for this wonderful session to be delivered by me. So let's start with venture capitals for early startup, for early entrepreneurs, early stage entrepreneurs. How do venture capitals get funding for startups? Trying to get venture capital funding for the startups, you should be realistic about your chances. You should be polished business plan, get clear on your capitalization, pick your VC funding targets carefully, venture capital targets carefully, hire the experts as much as you can, and do your due diligence. Then set a deadline and follow through. Early stage of venture capital funding is intended to companies in the development phase as well. This stage of financing is usually larger in sum than the stage, because new businesses needs more capital to start operations once they have a viable product or service. Normally early entrepreneurs, जो early stage entrepreneurs होते हैं, they need a started operations, they need a viable products, उनको एक viable products और services चाहिए होती हैं for their venture capital funding. So early up stage, also called first stage, you can see it is called initial stage, you can see expansion stage. So we can call the early stage as expansion stage, that you are expanding your business, your new setups in the market. You are in the very early stage. You have to learn a lot. You have to maintain the relation with the clients, and in the market also you run your products smoothly and in a competitive way. So in all these things, keep in mind you are doing the venture capital funding for your new startup. First of all, you decide on your goals. Being a newly stage, being the initial stage entrepreneur, you have to decide on your goals. You have to set up a Delaware corporation, patent your intellectual property as well. It is very important to patent your intellectual property. Consider first raising money. You have to consider first the raising of money from crowdfunding, angel investors, your friends, your family. This is very important. So know how is venture capital forms. As an entrepreneur, if you can start up the venture capital, then you make money. Be at the right stage. Based on the conversation with founders at Rocket Space, and you can say, and venture capital community, it takes an average of 3 to 6 months. If you have had an exit in the past, it can take 4 weeks or less. But this is your first rodeo preparation for at least 6 months. Normally, whenever the new business or as a new entrepreneur, you can start your business as a startup. Then what you do? You first have a patience of your business while venture capital funding. You must have a patience. You at least see your business at least for 3-4 years to make it established, and ignore the small things, and just have a positive raise to start up your business and raise your fundings as well. Then if we talk about the 3 stages of VC venture capital business funding, then the startup stage. In your startup stage, early stage, as I already told you, it's a first stage or the second stage capital expansion stage, and the second stage or third stage capital expansion stage as well. This is the early stage. And then you have to make a bridge stage, that is called mezzanine or pre-IPO stage. Bridge stage, that means you are maintaining a bridge, you are developing a bridge, and then you have to maintain that bridge also in connection with your clients, customers, and in the market, and even inside with your family members also. You have a very support on that. Then how does venture capital finances assist new entrepreneur? How this is assisting the new entrepreneur? If I talk about the importance of venture capital, it actually helps new products with modern technology. Means become commercially feasible, you can say. It promotes export oriented until to earn more foreign exchange. मीन्स आपके जो नए प्रोडक्ट हैं मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, उनको आपको मोर एंड मोर कमर्शियली फिजिबल बनाना है, एंड यू हैव टू प्रमोट द एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड यूनिट्स आल्सो टू अर्न मोर इन फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. It not only provide the financial institution but also assist in management, technical and others. Then the main point occurs is how do we get funding from venture capital? How do we get it? This is the main concern for all of us being early stage entrepreneurs. So on that, decide on your goals. First of all, you have to decide your goal. This is my goal. ये मेरा लक्ष्य है, मुझे इस तक पहुंचना है. अपने न्यू अर्ली सेटअप के लिए एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर मुझे गोल डिसाइड करना. Set up a Delaware corporation. You have to maintain a cooperation between other society members that will be able to help you. For example, आपको register करवाना है, या so many things are there. related to your products. Vary from product to product. So based on the understanding and based on the requirement, you have to set up a cooperation link, a bridge between yourself and external world, external society, that will be helpful to your venture capital.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, थोड़ी सी ऑडियो, थोड़ा माइक आप क्लोज कर लेना, ऑडियो थोड़ा सा वो है, थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा है, ड्रॉप हो रहा है.
Okay. Then we are talking about, is it okay?
Now it is okay.
Okay. So consider you have the patent of your intellectual property as well. Then considered first raising money from crowdfunding, angel investment or friends and family. Raising money आपको करनी है, आपको money भी raise करनी है. तो firstly आपको angel investor से करनी होगी, जो आपके fruitful clients हैं, जो आपके stakeholders हैं, जो भी आपको help कर पाएंगे आपके early network से related. You have to maintain and you have to bridge the gap. You have to fulfill the gap in between and you have to take their support as well. And even अगर हम external के अलावा internal बात करें तो you can take out the help from your friends and family members as well for your entrepreneur business. So know how venture capital firms is to make money, be at the right stage. If you will be at the right stage, if you decide your goal, if you patent your intellectual property, if you are raising money, if you know how venture capital firm make money, then you will obviously get your new startup beforehand. How long does it take to get VC funding? If we talk about that, कितना समय लग जाएगा? How to get it, the VC funding? Based on the conversation with so many founders, having some experience at, for example,
reporting चल रही है.
In VC community, it takes an average of 3 to 6 months. If you had an exit in the past, it can take 4 weeks or less also. But this is for your first rodeo. Prepare for at least 6 months as well. In initial stage, and early stage venture is considered and the term used to actually to characterize a startup business venture. Early stage का मतलब क्या है कि आप उसको characterize कर रहे हैं अपनी startup business venture. It generally concerns the phase of startup development, generally preceding the rapid growth phase. It's a rapid growth phase. Development stage पे होगा आपका जो business है, आपके early stage entrepreneur. So you have to make it on a rapid growth phase. Slowly, gradually, it can increase. It will increase the growth. The early stage is characterized by activities such as research development, market research, product business development. So many things are there. Sometimes before, some days before, I just deliver some lecture on the initial stage product in the market. It was a very, very good talk related to this. I can relate you on this particular stage also, that the stages of venture capital. Stages of venture capital financing included seed stage, startup stage, first stage, expansion stage, and bridge stage. As I already told you, first is seed stage. Means seed is आपको अपना वो बीज बोना है, आपको वो seed develop करना है. तो seed जो है अगर आपने बोया है, अगर आपने अपना setup का goal decide किया है, that means you have build your seed stage. That is called seed stage. Your goal. Then startup stage. As I already told you, during for your startup stage, you have to maintain a bridge between yourself and your client. Then at the first stage, you have to deal with the internal and external members to, strongly take all the initiatives, all the, market requirement, all the community, social community requirement that can, help you to support in your early stage entrepreneur for funding. Then you have to expand it in a very good manner. Then how much money do you need to venture in? Let's example, many venture capitals will stick with investing in money. They are investing in companies. So many venture capitals are there. They are investing in some very big corporates. So that operates in industries which they are familiar. their decisions will be based on deep dive research. उनका decision किस पे based था? उन्होंने क्यों funding किया big corporates को? Because they first set up their goals at initial level. That उनका decision क्या था? उनका decision उन्होंने अपने deep dive research के बाद they have taken the decision based on deep dive research. So in order to activate this VC funding process, they really makes an impact in the market, and it will take them between crores of rupees, you can say. And in some early stage startup, some of the companies it may be in lakhs also. It depends. It varies. It varies how much you are building the relation in accordance with the corporate social responsibility. How much you are funding, how much they are expecting, what is the turnover of that particular company. It totally depends on corporate to corporate, starting from top to bottom level and ending with bottom level. You can say vice versa, from bottom to top level. So if I can talk about the early stage financing of the first phase of growth of new venture, that moves from startup to sales तक जाता है. Money is used to buy inventory. बहुत सारा पैसा लगता है आपको inventory buy करने में, and to sustain the gap existing between cash flow and money making. And you have to sustain and maintain the gap. आपको gap भी fill करना है कि आपका existing cash कितना flow हो रहा है और कितनी और money needed है. So risk return profile is always there. So that is why I already brief you that you should wait for your new startup at least minimum for 3 years. Then you see that what return you are getting. Then you can able to visualize, okay, I can move forward with this particular venture. And if I talk about the first stage, I have already talked about. Then if I talk about the later stage, then I can tell you the later stage investing supports company have moved beyond the startup phase of development and have rapidly growing sales and have fast growing potential based on their potential only. Totally based on their potential. If we calculate the, you can say the venture capital investors. So business brokers, successful entrepreneurs, corporate peoples are often great informational resources to find the right venture capital in your local area. आपके लोकल एरिया में अगर आपको राइट वेंचर कैपिटल ढूंढना है या उसका पूरा रिसर्च करना है बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर अर्ली स्टेज बिजनेस, देन यू हैव टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्सेज. आपके जो सोर्सेज होंगे इंफॉर्मेशन लेने के वो कौन कौन हो सकते हैं? दे ऑल बिजनेस ब्रोकर्स, राइट? They may be successful entrepreneur. They are also in your list. They may be the corporate attorneys, the corporate officials, because they already maintain the corporate social responsibility with many big ventures. So this is all the check. This is all you have to check with your business associates. Your social networking is very strong, as I already told you. You have to maintain the social networking if you are starting your business, right? You have to maintain it. And if you maintain the social network, then obviously your new startup will run smoothly, gradually, and moving to rapid growth. And call colleagues around your area to give you contact information and name of some of the firms that will be closer to you in your local area. So these are all of the sources available to get you information for initially. If I can say about how do venture capital fund work, I can always say that when venture capital partners agree to return to all of the investors. जो venture capital के partners होते हैं, early stage entrepreneurs होते हैं, they always agree, हमेशा accept करते हैं कि जितने भी investor के साथ उन्होंने deal किया है, they are getting the return and capital before sharing in the upside level पे ही उनका capital share होता है. However, the fund typically pay for the investor annual operating budget 2 to 3%. एक रफ बात कर रहे हैं. It depends on, it varies on business to business. If I say how do I become a venture capital? Let's say there are two basic paths. दो रास्ते हो सकते हैं उसके. That founding a successful startup. फाउंड करो, रिसर्च करो एक सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप, किसी भी सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप को जो इनिशियल स्टेज पे भी स्टार्ट हुआ है 1-2 साल पहले, और गोइंग थ्रू अ सॉर्ट ऑफ फाइनेंस अप्रेंटिसशिप, या फिर एक सॉर्ट ऑफ फाइनेंस के तरफ जाओ कि वो आपकी फंडिंग करे. देन फाउंडर वेंचर कैपिटल्स आर जज्ड ऑन द सक्सेस और फेलियर ऑफ देयर स्टार्टअप. आप उनको फाउंड और रिसर्च करेंगे, आप उनकी जजमेंट भी देखेंगे कि उनका जो रिसर्च, उनका जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रोग्राम है, उनका जो स्टार्टअप है वो कितना सक्सेसफुल हुआ है टिल द डेट, टिल इनिशियल करंट डेट. Accordingly, you can judge and accordingly you can put in your research. So venture capital from the finance path tend to have MBAs also, and we look to recruit people with similar skill set from similar institutions. They are applicable. MBAs are also because in their area of course, they have learned a lot about some contents related to finance and accounting and the startup entrepreneurship program. उनमें काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. How much should you raise for a startup? Let's say for example, कितना आप raise कर सकते हो अपने startup के लिए. One way to look at optimal amount. कोई optimal amount होनी चाहिए to raise in your first round. पहला round आपने अपने research में study किया. This is my first round. This is my first stage, and this is only the optimal amount I have to raise. Vary from business to business. And decide how many months of operation you want to fund. आपको decide करना है कितने महीने तक आपको funding regularly करनी है as per your financial repo, as per your financial current state. So a rule of thumb is that an engineer, the most common early employee for Silicon Valley startup, cost in all about around $15K per month. This is I'm giving an example, right? So when should you raise funds for a startup? हमने बात करी कैसे करना है, कहाँ करना है, क्या टारगेट्स होने चाहिए, कब करना चाहिए. when भी आता है क्वेश्चन. So venture capital funds with larger size in their investment thesis provide funding for late stage entrepreneurs. It is recommended from my side to approach these funds only after the startup has generated significant market traction. जब आप किसी भी स्टार्टअप के साथ अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो उसका कोई significant market traction होना चाहिए. And a pool of venture capitals may come together and fund a startup as well. Pool में भी कर सकते हैं आप. So many entrepreneurs are coming together and they are making a fund mutually, and they are deciding a startup as well. They are deciding to run a startup as well. So it is easy to get funding for startup because there is not a limitation that how much is that you have to start with the crores or with the lakhs, or you can start it with thousands of. Not everyone has enough money to get their startup company off the ground, I can see. But if you can't fund your business on your own, try getting a loan or line of credit from your local banks, you can say. So venture capitalists, angel investors, and strategic partners, they are the platforms, they are the great options to consider. क्या options हमें मिले? हमें venture capitalists मिले, angel investors मिले, strategic partners मिले, crowdfunding platforms पर, and even new early startup जिन्होंने शुरू किया है उनको भी ऐड कर दिया, right? So early stage actually में जो मैं आपको बार-बार बता रही हूँ कि early stage, starting to be developed. Early stage का मतलब होता है starting to be developed, अपने आप को डेवलपमेंट की तरफ ले जाना, और डेवलपमेंट जो होती है वो हमेशा ग्रेजुअली होती है. सो इन द बिजनेस, इन द अर्ली स्टेज एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू हैव टू बी अ मोर पेशेंट. आपको खूब पेशेंस होना चाहिए. यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब समथिंग सच एज कंपनी और प्रोडक्ट दैट इज स्टार्टिंग टू बी डेवलप्ड. कुछ ऐसा डिस्क्राइब करो जैसे कि कोई भी कंपनी या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो कि स्टार्ट हुआ और अभी काफी अच्छे से डेवलप हो. जस्ट थिंक ओवर इट, टेक अ मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम देम, and you can definitely become a very good early stage entrepreneur. Then I can talk about many rounds of funding can a startup can be taken by startup. Many rounds of funding. So a startup can receive as many as rounds of investments as possible. There is no certain restrictions on it, as I already told you. However, during series investment, like A, B, C, initial, middle, and later stages, the owners as well as the investors are pretty cautious about funding. They are pretty cautious about funding. So the more the investment round, the more release of business equity. It's a funda for finance people that more you have the investment rounds. Rounds, matlab you have the rounds. It's not like that you are investing in a one go. You have the stages, you have the rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, and a gap in between them. So the more the investment rounds, the more release of your business equity as to run your new startup in a successful manner. And if we talk about the later stage, then 6 months to a year away from an exit, such as other companies are doing. So many disadvantages also there in venture capital. If we talk about something, so we have to take care on that also, right? Forced management. Like typically venture capital funding comes with a few stringent loss of equity is there. It is expected, but it is still a downfall, right? Loss of equity of yours. Funding problems must be there based on your financial position. So limited decision-making abilities is more important. That you have the decision-making, but you are very limited in that. You are very afraid of doing the decision in your business. But for a businessman, they should be very, very open for a risk-taking and decision-making ability. They should have a good decision maker to run their early stage startup. They have to accept sometimes the loss and sometimes the profit. So in general, venture capital pay well also. In so many businesses, if we started with a bonus, which is typically a percentage of salary, this can be much higher. So venture capital analyst can expect an annual salary, not monthly. You are not a salaried person if you are running a business, if you are an entrepreneur. So you have to think over it annually, not in a daily basis, or you can say monthly basis, right? So venture capital is the easiest to obtain, very, very easy. If we think over in a positive manner, that venture capital financing are sometimes easy and sometimes not easy to obtain. Entrepreneurs will be better prepared to obtain venture capital financing if they understand the process, if they understand the risk, if they understand the decisions, instant decisions of them, the anticipated deal terms with their stakeholders and the potential issues as well. So many, stages of investing are there. Like take an account, the first saving you should establish when you begin making money. So step 1, you can put it a put and take account. Then put and take account means this is the first savings you should establish when you begin making money. Step 2, beginning to invest. You are a beginner to invest. Then step 3, systematic investing, like a round wise in a gap, and you are open also for that. So that is systematic investing. Strategic investing is there. How you invest in which particular rounds, what are the points under it. Like for the first round, if you are going to invest the money to buy the products from the market, ready-made products from the markets, how much in which numbers. This is a full budget should be there in a strategic manner. Then you have a speculative investing also. You should be very, very speculative. You should maintain the bridge also between you and your client. Sometimes you hire the money and take a loan also from banks. But you should be very, very open to pay off the later stage. So and so much benefits are also there. If I can talk about the advantages that it brings the wealth, you can say, and expertise to the company. In your venture, in your company, it brings wealth also and expertise to you. So large sum of equity finance fund can also be provided to you. And the business does not stand the obligation to repay them. Business जो है वो ऐसे खड़ा नहीं होता कि जब तक उसको repay money अपने stakeholders को ना किया जाए. So in addition to capital, it provides valuable information. So advantages क्या आ गए हमारे पास? या आपको कैपिटल के अलावा या जो भी आपका वेल्थ अर्न हो रहा है, जिस भी प्रॉफिट में आपका जो है स्टार्टअप जा रहा है, it in addition it can also provide the valuable information also. You are maintaining, the network also. You are building a new network, and you can maintaining the existing network. So this is a valuable information you are getting from the market as well. Which type of product, what is the market value, what is the GDP of particular country, the particular city where you are going to deliver. So many things, valuable information you are getting, resources information you are getting, from which resources you are going to get it, technical assistance you are getting to make a business successful, as we can say. So there are different rounds of venture capital funding as also. That is pre-seed. Pre-seed funding is concept stage. आपने सीड लिया, आपने गोल डिसाइड किया, लेकिन उससे पहले आपने प्री सीड फंडिंग भी किया, आपने कॉन्सेप्ट को भी तो अपने माइंड में डेवलप किया. दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट स्टेज. So many these are the stages of venture capital financing. First is pre-seed, is concept stage. Second is seed stage, right? Then post seed means bridge between you and your customers, your clients, your stakeholders, your family, your friends, everybody. Third stage, fourth stage, so many stages then come. Then you are putting the rounds, you are putting the investment rounds, you are making the strategies. Then you are making the pre-initial public offerings. That is called IPO stage. That is pre-initial public offerings, I can say. So you need a license also. If we talk about commercialization, you need a license. So what exactly do you need to be a venture capital? For example, a rich uncle can be a good startup. And the venture capital industry, there is such a term involved in the 1970s. Most venture professionals come from all over the spectrum. Spectrum is different segments: technology, business development, finance, investment banking. और अभी तो कोरोना की कोविड की वजह से बहुत कुछ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स में हो रहा है. People are moving from jobs to their online businesses. So many good businesses you can able to see. आप बहुत सारे वेंचर कैपिटल्स देख सकते हैं जो छोटी सी अमाउंट में उन्होंने अपना अर्ली स्टेज पे एज एंटरप्रेन्योर स्टार्ट किया. You can think over it if you see the advertisement in the TV. You have seen that Urban Clap is there, जिसमें कि पार्लर जो है लोग बाहर जाते थे लेडीज और जेंट्स, और अभी वो घर पे भी आ रहे हैं. उसमें कोई फंडिंग नहीं है, कुछ खास फंडिंग नहीं है, बट दे आर डूइंग. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. बीसी जो आपका एसी है घर में, उसको ठीक करने के लिए यू आर टेलिंग द इलेक्ट्रिशियन थ्रू देयर ऑनलाइन मोर दैट दे आर कमिंग इन देयर हाउस. So many education related, tuition related, schools related, so many startup are there. Even early stage पर उनको funding की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ रही है. They have the full patience that they are seeing their business, their early stage startup, to see at least for some years that how much it will develop, and they are putting a lot of efforts also, the hard work. So early stage business, the primary stage of its corporate journey, and is between 1 to 2 years older, and is generally pre-revenue. It will have gained traction in skill and will most likely to be looking to raise finance. Normally जो startup है वो finance किए जाते हैं, बहुत सारे उनके targets रहते हैं, और investment रहती है अपने friends और families के through, banks के through, traditional loan लिए जाते हैं, and so many, मतलब काफी research करने के बाद then these angel investor, individual startup can start their business, as I have given the example of Urban Clap and that one more thing for AC repair. So how do we rate, how do we value a late stage startup? You can see late stage startup. Bottom line, late stage startup valuation is based on different approaches, taking into account growth, turned into revenue, and they most often use computing probability, weighted expected return model or market comparables, moderating them with premium and discounted level, right? They are funding for the various reasons, for the main purpose to grow their business. उनका funding का main purpose क्या है? सबका ही main purpose है to grow their business, to make money, to grow the business in a profitable manner. at that level where profit can start. So it can take a while for a company to reach profitability, and until then the business needs some cash to keep going on. तब तक business को क्या चाहिए होता है? Some cash to keep going on. So you should be prepared for that rounds. Early stage startups normally focus on product development. अर्ली स्टेज स्टार्टअप किस पे फोकस करते हैं? प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप करने में, बिल्डिंग अ कस्टमर बेस एंड एस्टैब्लिशिंग अ स्ट्रांग कैश। ठीक है, 3 चीजें हो गई। फोकस किस पे किया? प्रोडक्ट। बिल्ड क्या किया? कस्टमर का बेस, स्टेक होल्डर्स का बेस। एस्टैब्लिश क्या किया? स्ट्रांग कैश। एवरी बिजनेस गोज थ्रू so many stages. Early stage business model often involve finalizing your product or service and gathering market data. That you are gathering the database from the market, you are researching, you are doing the research, and accordingly you are able to run and think over the concept. That is called pre-seed, right? So how do we find the startup venture capital? How do you find? If I can say, how do you approach and get venture capital funding for your startup? So start with your network, meet venture capitals in person, one-to-one meeting. Start with your network. सबसे पहले network build करो, उनसे meeting करो, new startup के owners से, create a successful pitch deck. एक successful pitch बनाओ ताकि आप उस particular bridge तक पहुंच सको जहां आपने उसको आगे पहुंचाना। Be aware of what venture capital looks like. Always be aware. The awareness is always there. So you should be very, very, positive in that manner. And if I can say, if you have to, choose a right venture capital firm for you, so consider your investment strategy first. Whether any of the business, okay? Look for established firms with that tie-ups with that firms in some manner. Consider in-house investor firms. Always consider in-house investor firms. Search for the ideal match. हमेशा अपने वेंचर के साथ जो वेंचर को आपने मैच कराना है, कोलैबोरेट करना है, you should have the ideal match with them and build a partnership with them. Try to build. If not, it's okay. And consider other financing options also. So you have to look after and you have to search about other financing options also where I can get. So we see venture capital partners paid 20% is standard, but some top firms take 45 to 30% share. Do you have to pay back venture capital? Why don't technically have to pay back venture capital? Venture capital firms are expecting a return on their investment. That means that a startup that accepts VC money need to be planning for an exit. Is it hard to become a venture capital? Or is it, what I can say, it is hard to become a successful one and make a lot of money? No, nothing is hard in the market. If you have that particular goal, you can start up with a scratch level. And ordinary people can invest in startup via crowdfunding sites. They are having that crowdfunding very, very good network under that site. LinkedIn, you can also see a startup investing platform offer a curated selection of companies that require minimum buy. So platforms are that you are seed investor, you are a start engine, you are a republic, you are a good investor, you have a very good network in the market. If I can say that, how do you value it? So you compare your transaction methods, you have to scorecard your valuation method, you have a risk factor, you are a good decision maker, you have a good value. So the difference between the raise fund of my startup is that if you start it at early stage, then most probably you want to fund your startup and raise money from your friends, family, your business alone, and find a co-founder, either a technical co-founder, invest half of money, or a business partner, and who provide help in sales, marketing, per equity, and raise money. Right? So these are all these stages, and these are all the next step is to grow as much as you can. try to get a good investment, make a good network, take a loan if you don't have any capital, take better banks are available. And if there is, don't try to find a expensive, venture. Try to minimize a good, low one. So as a career, you can say I personally find that venture capital, particularly as an early stage venture capital investor, are really a great career, you can say. It is intellectually fulfilling, professionally challenging, and can be economically rewarding, I think. Mr. Dinesh.
Thank you, ma'am, for this great knowledgeable session. Now, I would like to invite our coordinator, Engineer Kamal Kishore, for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Shivalika. Hello. Thank you, Shivalika.
Yes, sir.
I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Director, Dr. Professor A.K. Srivastava, Engineer Dinesh Gupta, President IIC Cell YCT, Engineer Rajneesh Magotra, HOD, Civil Engineering Department YCT, faculty members, and all the participants. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Kamal Kishore, on the behalf of Civil Engineering Department, YCT Jammu, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the today's resource person, Dr. Shobna, Dean Corporate Relation, Associate Professor Management Training and Development, Home Sterilizing Global University, Hisar, Haryana, for gracing their experience, rich knowledge, and opinion on a topic: angels investment, VC funding opportunities for early stage entrepreneurs, which includes how an entrepreneur create a firm to realize their ideas, finance resources, including SBA loans and crowdfunding, and also discuss the risk involved, and also gives a brief idea about the many obstacles in building a new company, etc. Last but not the least, I thank you, my colleagues, student coordinators, for your consistent support in making this session resounding success. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. At last, we would like to thank all the participants for their enthusiastic participation in this today's session.
Thank for inviting. Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you, ma'am, for sparing the time for our students. That was really a nice session. Thank you very much.
Thank you for inviting me, and thanks and best wishes to all of you.